welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am creating abstract nail art. In case you don't know what that is, stay tuned and you'll find out. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Alma and I love creating nail art, and my channel is dedicated to everything that is nail art, nail stamping, you name it. So yeah, hope you guys stay tuned and stay to the end of the video. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And please click on the notification button so you are notified when I upload new videos. So I'm gonna start off by using OPI's start to finish base coat, top coat, and strengthener. I just like to use it as a base coat. So yeah, I will be doing that to all my nails. The thing I like about this base coat is that it dries real quick, so you don't have to wait long after applying it. You can, as soon as you apply it, you can instantly just go ahead and apply your nail color. So now that my base coat is fully dried, I'm gonna go ahead and use this really pretty pink nail polish by Simple Colors from the Bold Color collection. Not sure if this collection is still available, but I'm sure you can find it on eBay or Amazon. I haven't looked myself, but the color is called 24/7, and I will be applying this to all my nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for a little bit, and I'm gonna be using, my next color will be Essie, and it's in the color Blanc. I think that's how you say it. I hope that's how you say it. My apologies to Essie if I didn't say that right. And then the next color I'll be using is this black one by China Glaze. It's called Liquid Leather. And to top it all off, I will be using a matte top coat. I think it'll just make the design nicer. And yeah, that's usually the trend right now, matte. I usually like using my Seche Vite, which is a very glossy one, but for this look I decided to just try the matte. I don't really use this one because I'm not a big fan of matte, but I just don't use it enough, so I want to try it out today. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and yeah. Anyways, before I forget, I'm gonna be using these little brushes to do the nail art. I got these, I think you find them online, but I bought them at this like nail polish shop near me. Nail polish shop. Nail supply store, that's what I'm trying to say. Anyways, they're really fine. So these will be great for doing the little intricate designs. Well, I'm not really gonna do designs. I'm gonna do more like lines and stuff like that. And almost forgot. I can't believe I almost forgot. I'm gonna be using a dotting tool for this too. Yeah, I almost forgot about that. But yeah, I'll be doing that. My nails are still wet, by the way. That's why I'm just here waiting. But yeah, I think they're almost ready. Yeah, they're feeling a little tacky, which means they're almost dry. Okay, so my nails are finally dry after waiting for like a year. No, just playing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and using the nail polish brush. I'm gonna go with the white and just drag it like this You see that? And then I'm gonna do it again to another nail and just do random little lines like that. Doesn't matter how it turns out. There's no right or wrong way to do art. It will look amazing, I promise. And like that. And for this now, let's see, which way should I do it? I'm not sure which way because, let's see. I will do it this way. Like that, see? There we go. Now, I'm gonna use the same nail polish and, sorry, I was not in the camera. Oh Lord. Okay, so I'm gonna just put like a little drop of it right there. I hope that's enough. And I'm gonna grab this detail brush and I am just gonna dip my brush in there and do the same thing except just swipe it through like that. There we have that. And with this nail right here, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm just gonna do it the opposite way. Opposite direction, just make it look unique, because that's the look I'm going for. That's what abstract art is. Okay, I like how it's turning out so far. And for the pinky, I'm just going through this way. And last but not least, my thumb. For this now, I'm just gonna do 2 of them. Should I add more? I don't know. Maybe I should. I'm thinking about my nail polish is getting tacky, which makes it a little harder to work with. I'm just gonna add a line here. Yeah, there we go. I think that's good enough. And now I am gonna go ahead and do the same thing, but actually no. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the black nail polish, and I will lay a drop here. And using my dotting tool, I'm just gonna dip it in and do little random dots. You can do them anywhere on your nail. You don't have to copy my same design. Your design could be totally different. If you decide to recreate my look, please hashtag Nailfiemood in your Instagram post so I can see your recreation of this look. I'm sure some of you could make it look better than mine. But yeah, so I would love to see your ideas, your creativity, the way you do it. And that's it. That's all. Very simple and very, very cute. Kind of reminds me of like dragon fruit. That's what this reminds me of. So now I'm gonna wait for the colors to dry, because I do not want to smear the design. And after that, I'm gonna just go ahead with the matte top coat to finish it off. So finally going in with the matte top coat. I rarely use this top coat because it's matte, and I think matte nails are really nice, but for some reason I feel like they just don't look nice on me. But let's just do it. I like shiny things, so that's why I gravitate towards glossy top coats. So yeah, I'll just apply this to all the nails, and then I'm done. Can't forget the thumb. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it entertaining or helpful, and yeah. So yeah, I really like how these turned out. The matte makes them look real nice. So yeah, they are not super matte. I expected this to be like really matte, but it's not. It's like more like a dull top coat. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and hope you guys stick around for the next video. I'll try to post another video soon. I just get caught up with life, and sometimes I'll do my nails and forget to record. But yeah, anyways, you can do this with any nail color of your choice, and I'm sure it will come out looking nice. But yeah, hope you guys like this and recreate it, and maybe share it with me by tagging me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Nailfiemood, and on Pinterest I'm also Nailfiemood. I have no Facebook. Those are the only two. Oh, and Twitter. I have Twitter as well, but I'm not really active on there, but I try. But anyways, hope you guys stick around for my next video, and see you next time. Bye.